Well, this is the making of a Rusty Rooster burn barrel. Let's see if you folks can see this. Kind of hard in the sunlight to see. This is the making of it, how it's going to start. We're using our 52 Cutmaster Victor plasma cutter to do this thing, so we've got him propped up here. Let's get set up and do a little cutting. All right, folks. Well, folks, here it is. Everything is cut out. We just put a spotlight in there. I'm sure this video is going to continue when Mr. Rooster gets it. That is the Rooster burn barrel. We've gone in and let me pause it a second and I'm going to show you the rebar and all we put in. And this is all, you know, I drew it with a Sharpie, or my wife drew it with a Sharpie, and then I cut it out with a plasma cutter. So hold on a minute, I'll show you the inside and cut the light out. Well, if this sun doesn't mess with me. That's the light I stuck down on there, but we got in some rebar down in here. And it's not welded, it's just stuck in the side there. Cut a hole in the bottom so you can scoop the ashes out. My chicken is talking. She wants to help. We call her Fanny. She's a sweet girl. The brown one back there, that's Gabby. Anyway, that'd be the Rooster burn barrel. Hopefully, later in this video, you guys are going to see this bad boy fired up. Raley Small Engines Creations. All right, all right.
Woo! I want to show off my new burn barrel. I got some yard to clean up. I tell you what now, it's hard to go wrong with a good old burn barrel. Yes, sir. Got me that old Chevron 10W30 going on. Got some rebarb stuck through there to hold them old logs and limbs up off the ground. Got me some pieces stuck up under there. Y'all hang with me here. We're gonna light that thing up here, but I kind of want to wait till it gets a little dark. Check it out. Yes, sir. My old burn barrel over there. It burned out. Bottom in it rotted out. Somebody out there know that Roaster needed a doggone burn barrel. Look here. Got the weeds growing up through the bottom of it. That done wore out. I got a new one now. We're going to light it up. I'm proud of it. We're going to show it off here in a little bit. It is time for a fire. I'll light it up. And that's how Rooster starts fire. The Rusty Rooster is on fire. Thank you, Raley Small Engines. Check that bad boy out. Burning that paint off. Whoop. She's gonna smoke a little bit, but after this first burn, that's gonna be a nice Rusty Rooster burn barrel. She on fire. What do you think, Willie?
Rooster, can I get the hot dogs out yet?
You go get the hot dogs, Willie. It's burning that paint off. Yeah, we're going. thing burning hot. Y'all, I really appreciate y'all checking out this joint video. I really appreciate it, Mr. Raley. A lot of talent and hard work went into that project, and I'm enjoying it. Hey, if y'all enjoyed this video, check it out on the other guy's channel. It's gonna be on Raley's channel and Rooster's channel. If you're watching his, flop over and give mine a check. If you're watching it on mine, make sure you go over and check it on Mr. Raley's channel. His channel will be linked in the description. Folks, I really enjoyed this. Thank you, Mr. Raley. Sure do appreciate a good friend. Hey, we'll see y'all on next one. I got some more fires to start. Couple to put out.